What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Lash Pipenon coming at you guys with another video. Alright guys, today we got a little something different coming today. We're gonna be doing a POV drive in this 1300 horsepower Trackhawk. We're gonna hop straight into the video, guys. Let's hear how this thing starts. Ooh. It has a big cam in it, so you guys are gonna hear it right now. Shout out to Hulk Smash 7.0, give him a follow. Ooh, sounds nice. Alright, Alright, we're about to head to the Dodge dealership, check out some cars. We might be considering a Mopar for the second car, guys, so don't be mad, don't be bad. I know a lot of you guys came here from my Mopar videos though, so some of you guys might be happy. So yeah, let's go check it out. We're also gonna get their reaction. I mean, they're probably gonna be shook when they see the car. Boom, it's not too far, 4 miles. We're about to pull it right now. I'm actually pretty surprised, guys. It drives super smooth for like being a 1300 horsepower car. I promise you, when you're not in boost and you're not really like getting on it, it drives really nice, really smooth. The idle sounds very nice too. I have it on auto right now. I might put it on sport in a little bit. That's only if we need to get a kill. Maybe we'll see a little snack on the road. I hope we do. It got paddle shifters too. I'll probably play around with these in a second. Brakes are super nice. Look. Sean, what you doing? Jerky though when you're in the paddles, but normally it's just really nice. This is wait for the downshifts, y'all. Hold up. Ooh, the pops too. I gotta get used to these paddles, y'all. I'm so used to these manual cars. Once we get a little bit more open space, y'all, I'm gonna open her up a little bit so you guys can hear how it sounds. And the video can't show exactly how fast this thing is. It's really unexplainable, y'all. Especially off a dig, it's crazy how it hooked perfectly. That all-wheel drive puts in work. I would open her up right now, but there's so much traffic. I think there's a little back road up here though. I wish on the steering wheel, instead of having the Trackhawk right here, they just had the Hawk right here, right in the middle. I'm pretty sure some do. Like the newer models, I'm not sure exactly which one, but I think that looks super dope. The Jeep's kind of mid. I haven't drove this thing in a minute too, so I don't even really remember exactly how powerful this thing is. I just remember I was really shook. Alright, y'all, we finally got a good street to open her up. So it kind of stuttered when it shifted. I gotta put that thing in sport. Alright, y'all, we're pulling up right now. I already see a Durango. Oh, a Hellcat Durango.
Oh, there's a wide body over there.
Ooh. Oh yeah, wide body Scat or Hellcat? I can't tell.
Oh, they have a red eye too.
Oh yeah, the workers love it. The workers love it. Alright, it's all good. We can pop out and see what type of cars they got. Alright, come on, let's go. What type of Hellcats do you guys have here? Do you guys have any red eyes to check out? Yeah. Alright, man. All in the showroom?
Yeah, what's up, guys?
Yes, sir.
What's your name?
Gabe.
Christian.
Nice to meet you, man. Oh, the new jailbreak you said? Blue calipers, blue stripes. That's dope. That interior, I've never seen that interior. That's
yeah, it's
crazy.
customized, custom made.
All custom?
Yeah.
Make sure you get that.
Yeah, but you should channel.
Yeah. Lavish 5.0. Yes, sir. So, what is the difference between just like the regular red eyes and the jailbreak?
Here, what's the biggest difference? Do you know?
Let me know. Let me know.
They used to actually
Not that one.
How much you want to bet? But you must got miles on it, huh? It ain't stock, huh?
Yeah, I mean,
It ain't stock, huh?
It's like 1,300 horsepower.
You got 800 horsepower, 807 stock on a jailbreak.
Yeah.
Because you got the different wide body kit on this. And these come with a water body kit, and it has more customization.
Yeah.
Basically, like, you know, with the red eye, you can't get as much customization.
Yeah.
With this one, you can get a pre-order with all the colors. Let's say you want to have red stripes, white paint, red rims, gold paint. They put it on there for you. And it'll already be Mopar OEM, so you're not going to have to get the aftermarket price.
That's clean.
So, like, this is one of the best cars you can get right here. This is the fastest car out. This is the only one in California. All of them got sold out.
Yeah, I do YouTube and stuff. Yeah. Lavish 5.0.
Boy, you know Legend?
Oh yeah, Legend.
That's my cousin. Boy, he told me. Once you got the purple Mustang?
Yeah, that's me.
What's up, bro?
What's going on? That's crazy,
That's
bro.
crazy. Did Legend refer you, bro?
Oh no.
That's my uncle. I call Legend right now, bro. Call Legend.
I'm gonna say that's crazy.
Oh, yeah, I know all y'all. Lavish. I know the other guy that had the blue Hellcat.
What's it called? My boy, Mr. Hellcat.
Yeah.
Yeah, he had the black wrap. Yeah.
Heck yeah, that's crazy.
Man.
Well, yeah, I know all about the Hellcats, Trackhawks, Scats. We got all that here.
It's good. I mean, I don't know if you're busy or if we can walk around and check some of them out.
You want to take them around? This is deck right here.
I'm about to say, yeah.
That's what Legend when he on a Corvette.
Oh, yeah, that's
Trackhawk right here. Like me.
Oh, yeah.
That big body, but you already got this.
That ain't mine.
That's not yours?
No, that's my boys.
Oh, okay.
Stuff, different stuff with it. Might be time for a big body, y'all.
Yeah. Oh, we got the Hellcat truck, the TRX.
Oh, for
It's a pickup truck like a Ram with a Hellcat engine in it.
Yep, I'm already knowing. Y'all got the, I seen a Durango when I came
Yeah, we
in
got a Hellcat
too.
Durango too. Yeah, this is the 392. This is Scat Pack engine in Jeep.
I swear, I actually never knew about these, bro.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
This is the big body. TRX.
Now this is a big body.
6.2 liter supercharged V8.
Man.
And you can fit the whole family in.
You got 110 for this?
Drop some likes and comments and maybe we'll get it.
Sit in this car right here, bro.
Alright, let's
This
check
is
it
straight.
out.
This is what you're gonna get after you get your
This is
track.
presidential, bro.
That's the presidential. Look at that interior right there. Yo, Will.
Nice leather in here.
Oh, yeah, that's that boy Larry. He living lavish
check
for real.
this thing out. Ooh. Man, only 9K on the dash too. Man, that's crazy.
Guess the price.
I'm gonna have to say 150.
150?
Yeah. For a higher? 200?
You're close.
180.
Oh yeah, 181.
Oh, right in the middle, right in the middle. Guts in this thing.
We should go outside and check out the Chargers.
Oh yeah. Check out the Chargers outside.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Hellcat Challenger, Hellcat Charger, Hellcat truck. But look at this though. This thing is nice. I'm talking about.
Oh, for real. The blacked out badges already.
Nipsey Blue on that, man. My brother, he did Twitch. He had millions of views on his Twitch.
Oh, that's hard.
So I'm gonna have him shout you out. I'm gonna tell him I'm gonna shout you out.
That's real, bro.
I got you, bro. Cause I be doing music and stuff, so.
No, it's good. You know, it's always reciprocated.
Yeah, I'm always showing love, man. I want to see people make it just like me.
Nah,
good luck in
appreciate
LA.
that, bro.
Good luck with the YouTube, man. Keep balling, keep doing your thing. You looking
That's
good. You got the cut. Keep doing your thing. Appreciate the cameraman. Y'all tap in, man.
Yes, sir.
If y'all need a car, come see Big Stone across the Dodge, man. I promise you, you gonna have that cap, baby. And you come see Christian too.
Drop your socials, whatever.
And my social is Young Stone on Instagram. I'm an artist, man. I do a lot of stuff for the community. Come see your boy Big Stone. I promise you, you're gonna be able to beat him in the race.
We're gonna see about that. No words needed. But yeah, guys, I think this concludes the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you guys are new. And I'm out. Peace.